you want to be when you grow up? I want?
To become a doctor than me.
Why?
Because of
I want?
to become a doctor.
Someday.
Someday.
Why? Because
Because
I want
want to
take
study
again because
because
I
I
want
want
to
to get study.
study only. How about mommy? You want to take care daddy only?
Teacher study.
Only.
Only
Again, what you want to be when you grow up?
I want to become a doctor someday.
Why?
Because
I want
want to become a
take care.
doctor.
Again, I want.
Want to get a study.
Why daddy only? Why there is no mommy? Ah, you are unfair. Take care daddy and
And bright.
ah! Why Brian only? Where is mommy? Ah, you don't like to take care mommy.
And the light.
Why? Why you don't like to take care mommy? Ah, I will eat bird. Ah, you are unfair ha, kayong mag-ama ha. You're unfair ha. Ah.